Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the internal exception Java IOI of exception issue connection lost and existing connection was forcibly closed by the remote host. First thing I recommend to doing restart your computer guys. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue guys, and you can also try flash your DNS server and IP. In order to do that, I go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. I want to type here ipconfig space slash flushdns DNS. Press enter guys. Windows in IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Next thing you want to type netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter guys. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys. For make changes you go and restart your PC. That's must needed. You should good to go guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.